Bitcoin reclaims $30,000, Ether drops below $1,900. Shiba Inu-based Shibarium blockchain expected to go live in August. Sega rethinks GameFi plans, COO calls blockchain gaming boring. Binance CEO CZ brushes off news of top executive departures. Multi-chain team confirms exploit across Phantom, Moonriver and DogeCoin bridges. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VDM markets plummeted on Friday as a sharp jump in private sector jobs shown by the ADP report triggered liquidation. Bitcoin hovered around $30,000 mark. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 2.1% at 40,050 points. Apart from hotter private jobs data, several other factors led cryptocurrencies, including the FOMC minutes depicting hawkish Federal Reserve stance, July futures contract expiry on CME, and the Bitcoin's rally to 13-month high. The ADP report showed 497,000 private sector jobs added in June, more than double the consensus forecast for 220,000. Meanwhile, the two-year note is more sensitive to short-term interest rate expectations. Yields sitting at multi-year highs suggest traders see the Fed extending its rate hike campaign. Indeed, Fed funds futures traders now see a 94% chance of a 25 basis point rate hike this month. Experts believe that the FOMC minutes to have a negative influence on the crypto market, particularly the rate hike decisions, is likely to have a profound effect. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.17 trillion mark, losing 3.2% in the last 24 hours. Total trading volumes increased about 12% to $41.7 billion. According to a report from DappRadar, the Bitcoin ordinal's total trading volume soared to $210 million second quarter of 2023, which marks the quarterly increase at 2,830%. Verge, a decentralized and open-source cryptocurrency whose primary focus is to improve privacy and security of the network, has recorded a staggering increase of more than 400% in a span of 1 month. However, the network's unique multi-algorithm proof-of-work system, which tends to diversify the mining access to ensure fair rewards distribution, has led to one of the reasons for the price increase. US stock futures were trading down as investors digested the June ADP jobs report and the implications for Federal Reserve's policy stance. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P 500 futures were trading flat, while Nasdaq 100 futures dropped by 0.2%. Bitcoin was trading at $30,150, down 3.2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 4%, trading at $1,862. On my left, BNB was down by 3.5% to trade at $233. Solana Sol was down 0.8% and was trading at $20.1. Cardano's ADA token was up by 3% to trade at $0.28. Next on the list, we have Avalanche AVAX. It was trading at $12.6, lower 3%. Talking about Polygon Matic, it was trading down by 4% to trade at $0.66. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 3.6% at $0.065, and Shiba Inu was trading down by 4.9%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.46, down by 3%. Polkadot was up by 3.4% to trade at $5.1.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. The much-awaited Layer 2 blockchain Shibarium is expected to go live after Toronto conference in August, developer Satoshi Kusama said in a Thursday blog. Layer 2 refers to a set of off-chain systems built on top of Layer 1 protocols that reduce bottlenecks with scaling and data. These bundle multiple off-chain transactions into a single Layer 1 transaction, which helps reduce the data load and fees. Developers added Doji DAO, decentralized autonomous organization run and governed by token holders, will be introduced at the time and used to fund projects building on Shibarium. Developers have previously said Shibarium would have a focus on Metaverse and gaming applications, especially as the non-fungible token sector is expected to heat up in the coming years. Sega, once a championing voice for GameFi and blockchain-based games, is now quitting the sector, according to a Bloomberg report. Sega's co-chief operating officer, Shuji Utsumi, said that the gaming giant is now apprehensive about the technology and will be cancelling plans to develop its own blockchain games. The Japanese firm had previously announced that it would withhold some of its best-known games and IP from blockchain. However, it still intends to allow third-party developers to produce blockchain games. The company had always been cautious about the allure of blockchain gaming. When it first announced that it was entering the field, it prefaced its entry by saying it would withdraw if it is perceived as simple money-making. Departures of key executive personnel from Binance are part of the company's usual turnover of staff, Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao tweeted Friday morning. The world's largest crypto exchange is facing heat from regulators across the world, with the US Securities and Exchange Commission filing a lawsuit against the firm and SEC for breaking several securities laws. Earlier, Fortune reported that high-profile personnel in senior leadership positions, including Chief Strategy Officer Patrick Hillman and Senior Director of Investigations Matthew Price, had left the company because of SEC's response to an ongoing investigation by the US Department of Justice. Hillman tweeted that he was leaving the exchange on good terms and it's simply time for me to move on to the next challenge. Bloomberg also reported that Yubo Link, Binance's chief business officer, has left the company and US staff are being asked to relocate offshore or be laid off. BNB, Binance's exchange token, which has been called a security by the SEC in its lawsuit, is down 2.4% at $233. Cross-chain router multi-chain developers have confirmed an exploit that impacted $130 million in user-supplied tokens and cautioned users against using its service, as per Friday tweets. Developers said Friday that the team is currently investigating. It is recommended that all users suspend the use of multi-chain services and revoke all contracts approvals related to multi-chain, they said. The multi-chain service stopped currently and all bridge transactions will be stuck on the source chain. There is no confirmed resume time. Late on Thursday, multi-chain experienced outflows totaling nearly $130 million worth of different tokens across its bridges on blockchain networks Phantom, Moonriver and DogeCoin. Stolen tokens have not been sent to exchanges or passed through mixing services such as Tornado Cash as of Asian afternoon hours on Friday. Multi-chain's multi-tokens have slipped 13% in the past 24 hours. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing stocks of the day.
Let's have a look at the buzzing stocks of the day. First on the list we have Shiba Inu. Dog-themed Shiba Inu has experienced price fluctuations. Shiba Inu markets experienced a massive dump, leading SHIB's price to fall. Shiba was down by 4.45% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $4 billion. According to Buying and Selling View indicator, there was 800 billion SHIB sell-off on Binance today from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. UTC. The Shiba Inu coin appears to have impacted by the dump. Shiba Inu hit a 24-hour peak before dropping to its current price. A closer check at a SHIB's burn rate reveals that it has increased by 10.7% in the last 24 hours. According to SHIB burn data, 77.8 million SHIB were transmitted to dead wallets during this time period. The burn rate is, however, less as compared to the recent burn date, where over 250 million SHIB were burned in a single day. Moving on, Layer 1 blockchain Sui has strongly denied the market talks of selling its stake tokens to the popular cryptocurrency exchange platform Binance. Despite these denials, the price of Sui coin has dropped significantly, highlighting the fickle nature of the crypto market. With a market capitalization of $430 million, Sui was trading at $0.65, down 2% in the last 24 hours. According to CoinGecko data, the coin has lost around 30% of its value in the last 30 days and 68% of its all-time high, illustrating the volatility and sensitivity of the crypto market. Such developments have obviously made investors wary, pushing them to carefully analyze their investment selections and the possibilities of Sui coins. Next on the list, we have Phantom. DAG smart contract platform Phantom Price witnessed a rather unexpected turn of events after the network went through a couple of developments. The price plunged after investors assumed a bearish turn of events, which was actually a simple transaction moving assets from one place to another. Phantom was trading at $0.23, down 11% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $756 million. The rapid transfer of assets from multi-chain to Stargate was the cause of this drop. Multi-chain and a Stargate both function as bridging protocols that connect one blockchain to another in order to transfer assets, NFTs, and so on. Stargate, on the other hand, acts as an enhancement to multi-chain since instead of requiring an intermediate, chains can use layer 0 to commence communication and transactions directly with each other. According to PeckShield's investigation, a total of more than $110 million in USD coin, wrapped Bitcoin, and wrapped Ethereum was detected traveling out of the bridge. Moving on, blockchain protocol Terra Luna Classic price remains in a downtrend, falling below a crucial support level after a so-called final vision plan proposed by a non-custodial validator was rejected by the community. Now, members are turning to a leading crypto executive to lead the effort to salvage the network. LUNC was trading 5% down in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $470 million. Terra Luna Classic price dropped 5% and 25% after Christopher Harris' final vision plan for LUNC $1 plus proposal and off-chain burn tax on centralized exchanges was rejected. Despite the proposal, the plan fell through as community members voted against it, saying the network had just increased the burn tax by 0.5% already. Last on the list, we have proof-of-stake blockchain platform Cardano finds its recent momentum slowing down with the token's price dropping 5% in the past 2 days. ADA was trading at $0.28, down 3% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $9 billion. Following a period of prolonged positivity, it looks like that the bears have reclaimed power, prompting many to assume that ADA is on the verge of another slump. According to CoinMarketCap data, 88% of ADA holders are out of the money at the current price, indicating that market circumstances are causing concern among Cardano investors. Furthermore, Into the Block reports that the number of major ADA transactions has declined by 24%, demonstrating that the community's lack of interest.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.